Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna do unboxing of this 46 pieces socket wrench set that I have purchased from Temu. It was around $30, so let's open and see what it is. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And it has got 46 pieces and this is sealed. So I'm gonna remove this outer wrap first. So after removing the outer wrap with this paper, I have got this box. Okay, so I need to open this box. It's very easy to open, and let's see what are the things I have got. Wow, that's nice. So it has got everything that was advertised. Wow. Wow, it's a very small box and it's easy to carry, and yes, these tools are highly useful, no doubt. Okay, now some things might move here and there because of the way it is. Wow, we have even Allen wrench too. We have a screwdriver too. Wow, amazing. Yeah, it looks very nice, and I'm gonna use it for various purpose, and I'll provide you the feedback once I use it and once I have more to share. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.